Hey guys, this is Naveen here. Welcome back to Naveen Automation Labs. Today it's a quick video on top free websites to find remote jobs. A couple of people were asking about can we get the remote jobs online, and then if you are really getting bored of your regular job with 9 to 5 regular timings, if you really want to work extra, you really want to make some money extra, there are some freelancing jobs and remote jobs are available, and then there are some really great opportunities and great projects are there on these jobs. It's not about only testing. If you are really interested in development profiles, also SRE, DevOps, product management, UI, UX, testing, automation, any kind of job that you can find it on these websites. So these are the top websites that I actually searched for you guys. Around 10 to 15 websites are there. You can just go through them one by one, and it's absolutely free. You don't need to pay any single penny for the registration and everything. You just need to search. But see, yes, you have to search with the right keyword. If jobs are available, competition is there. No doubt a lot of other people also applying for the jobs over there, because these days remote jobs are very hot. Everybody is looking for the remote jobs. If your company is allowing you to do a moonlighting along with your current company, if you are allowed to do that, then absolutely you can go with that. And if you are really bored of your company or really frustrated with the manager, your current company, or the politics, you can leave your job and then you can start applying these number of jobs for the remote, and then you just enjoy your work from home. No need to go to office. Enjoy some great projects worldwide, and these are the top websites are there. If you really want to add some more websites, you can add it in the comment section. Some of the websites that I really prefer, that jobboardsearch.com. You can see there are multiple profiles are available for the different jobs. See, this is again, you can search for the location. For example, let's see if I'm looking for software testing, for example, see software engineer testing, and then all such things. You can do that. If you are looking for, let's see, only for testing, that also you can just select the location, work from anywhere, and then you can just go with that. So there are multiple options are available, part-time, full-time, everything is there. And a couple of other things. Let's see, if you are a business analyst or a release manager or a senior software engineer, see senior QA software engineer, test automation engineer, you search for that, and it's absolutely a remote job. You can just, if it is matching with your profile, like REST API automation, WebSocket, SQL, NoSQL database and everything, and using Python with test automation, you can apply for that. And it's like posted 9 days ago. Absolutely free to apply. And then there are other keywords also you can search with that. Let's see, for example, QA, and see, these are the different QA jobs: product quality analyst, and then manual QA tester, QA software test automation engineers, senior QA engineer, product design senior manager. Like, there are various jobs are there. You can just apply for that. So these are the different websites that I've already listed. Most of the website, it looks like that, and then you can just easily search for that, and then just apply for it. See, Bamboo HR is hiring for the remote QA engineer, and it's really high payable job. Like, just recently they uploaded, and then the salary compensation is really great. See, you don't go with the location wise, because this is a remote job. Maybe the company is headquarter is there, but it's absolutely a remote job, guys. You don't need to worry about it. It's clearly written remote QA engineer, right? So you can just apply for all these things, and they are absolutely correct. There are many websites are there in the market, but these are the top 15, I would say, websites are there where you can just find the remote jobs. So that's all for this video. I hope you like it. Please share this video with others who are looking for remote or freelancing or work from home jobs. Absolutely go with that. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care and God bless you all.